Middle school, Bubba. Middle school talent show. Right. Middle school talent show. Okay, but it still looks like the middle of nowhere to me. Oh, what do you know? You dropped out of bunny school before it even started. I did take your advice, though, and went to cooking school. Oh, yeah? Yeah, and they did not make me cook rabbit stew! Oh, that's a relief. So, this great place called middle school. What do you learn here anyway? Well, we learn geometry. What are we tree? Geometry. You know, it's math. Where you learn formulas for the circumferences and stuff. Like length times width and pi r squared. Pi? Yep, pi. Seriously, pi? Yes, Bubba, pi. Well, I don't know what they're teaching you at this school, but I ain't never seen a square pi in my life. Peaks are square, the right is square, pi are round. You know, all this talking about pi is making me hungry. Hey, cheese! You know, it's really funny that you like cheese so much, Bubba. I want to introduce you to a friend of mine. He's a really big fan of cheese, too. Yeah? Bubba? Bubba, this is Monty. What? OMG! It's a rat! It's a rat! I'm not a rat, I'm a mouse! Oh, I guess I'll explain your love of cheese. Do you love the cheese? The Lord cheddar is my favorite. Excuse me, but did he just say he likes to vomit cheddar? No, Bubba, he said Vermont cheddar. That's the state he's from, Vermont. Where are you from? Ohio? Well, that explains a lot. What is that supposed to mean? Duh, you might squirt pie. I did not make squirt pie. Oh, never mind. I like cheese pie. I like pie of any kind. I just think it ought to be round. Cheese pie is round. I'm gonna let your stinking cheese already. I'm starving. Would you like something hot cheddar, eh? No, thank you. I don't care to vomit cheddar, eh? Well, I like nacho cheese. You want to know why? You don't want to know why? Why, Bubba? Because it's nacho cheese! Why is it not my cheese? Pancakes work. Yeah? Pancakes work pies in Vermont, don't they? Oh, sure, you better go then. He said he had to go cut the cheese. You know, I have enjoyed coming to the middle of nowhere to report the news for language arts. Oh, yeah? Yeah, good. I think I'll go to graduate school and get an anchor job. To impress the natives. Right. You know, that Mrs. Van Liner, she's pretty easy on the Just say